bar is when you take your first finger and you lay it across the neck, and it's going to be holding down notes that are down across the neck. Here, the sixth string, the second string, and the first string. And then our other fingers are going to be involved. They're going to be playing other notes. So here's our second finger, our fourth finger, and our third finger. And what's a minor look like? We're just going to use less of these other fingers and more of the bar. We're going to take our second finger away. Okay, that's a minor shape. For 7, the most helpful way to look at a F7 chord or a 7 bar chord shape is in context to the major shape. So if we've got a major shape, we've got take a look at this. We've got a root and a third and a fifth. To make a 7 chord, we need a dominant 7th in there, a flat 7 note. So let's see what that looks like. Okay, cool. We're just going to take this root note. We've got lots of root notes in here, and we don't need all of them. So let's take that root note, let's drop it down to a dominant 7th note, flat 7th note, and then we'll just use our first finger, come back here to our finger placements. We'll use that first finger to bar across and pick up all of those notes. And a minor 7th is the same thing. We're going to drop our second finger and we're going to bar even more. So here's our first finger doing a ton of heavy lifting, and this is not an easy shape to play, but it's really, really common to play this shape on the guitar. It'll go all the way up the neck. You just slide it up the neck. If you were to play this same shapes with your first finger barred across the 3rd fret, that'd be a G minor. Across the 5th fret, that would be an A minor. Across the 7th fret, that would be a B minor 7. Sorry, I said minor. These are minor 7 chords, minor 7 shapes. So let's take a look at F major 7. Most helpful way to take a look at this is from the context of F major. If we have an F major shape, we're going to totally rearrange our fingers. We're going to bring our 4th finger here, 2nd finger, 3rd finger, and that's going to make that nice major 7 sound. This is not a commonly played shape because it's kind of a lot of notes. A lot of these low notes kind of clash together. The reason why this is here for this example is it's to show you how you would play it if you were to play it with your first finger barred across the entire neck. Not nearly as commonly played as the other one. So let's recap from the top. This is major, minor, dominant 7th, minor 7th, and major 7th. Let's look at the notes. Major, minor, dominant 7th, minor 7th, and major 7th. All right, let's take a look at the chord tones. This is really helpful for guitar thinking. Major, root 3rd and 5th. Minor, root, flat 3rd and 5th. F7, also called F dominant 7th. That's a root, we need a 3rd, we need a 5th, and a dominant 7th, flat 7th. Really similar. Minor 7th, we've got a root, we've got a flat 3rd, we've got a 5th, and a flat 7th, dominant 7th. Okay, for F major 7, we've got a root, we've got a 3rd, we've got a 5th, and a 7th. All right, hope that you really enjoyed this. These are some shapes that you can use over and over. There is a quiz and a badge for all of these shapes. Really hope to see you earn that for your Guitar Thinker profile, and I will see you there.